So I live right next to this really big church. And people come here to pray to Jesus, and I just come here to fucking take selfie. I kid you not. This is why I never vlog. The minute I turn on my fucking camera, someone decided to hang by their car right next to me for like 5 minutes straight. We're gonna do something so horrible today. We're gonna do something so fucking bad. If you already follow me on my Instagram, you have seen these photos already. Like these one. And also these. I actually took these photos myself. Most of the times when I'm alone or when I already have my makeup done, I just wanted to take some photos, right? And I'm not gonna fucking call my friend to come take photos for me because she has better things to do. So I usually take my own photos. I only take photos in my room, or when I set up my yellow background, that's when I take my own photos. I'm not gonna say like a lot of people ask me how I take and edit my photos, blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna say that because no one fucking asked me for that. I just thought that I could share this with you, even though Instagram is so fucking outdated. Me taking photos in public or filming in public is already giving me enough anxiety, let alone like setting up a fucking tripod and start doing the fucking TikTok moves. So I cannot fucking do that, okay? I was thinking that today I'll show you guys how I take my photos, and I will show you guys how I edit my photos as well. Anyway, so I'm gonna take you guys out with me, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, and I'll show you guys the whole process of how I take my own photos in public. So let's go. So before we start this video, please click the subscribe button below. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I'll definitely follow you back. And you know what? You should check out my Instagram because I'm gonna post these photos later on there so you can see the outcome. Other than that, let's get started. So I live right next to this really big church, and people come here to pray to Jesus, and I just come here to fucking take selfies. So I feel so fucking horrible for doing this. So here are the things that you need to bring when you go on a trip like this to take your own photos, right? So you need to bring your mask, of course. You need your phone. I always take my photos on my phone. I have the latest iPhone. This is iPhone 12, I believe, and I got the 12 Pro. When I get like a little sweaty, it looks like I'm glowing, right? So I'm okay with me like sweating a little bit. So, but you still need some oil plotting paper. I have this from Fenty Beauty. I talk about this in my What's in My Back video. This is so fucking embarrassing, but last but not least, you need a fucking tripod. It comes with a Bluetooth clicker. So what it does is you can connect this to your phone, and then every time you click this, it will automatically take the photos for you. So this is so fucking useful. Okay, so I bring this back with me, and the reason why is because I can just hide my tripod in my back like this, and then just put my back on the ground and take my photos without being so embarrassed in public. Because if anyone like sees me with a tripod taking my own photos, I would literally like dig myself a hole, like jump down there and just like hide down there forever. And two, fuck. Anyways, so yeah, I guess that's it. I think we're ready to fucking go and take some photos, so let's fucking go. I think I'm gonna take my photos here. I think the lighting is good here. And also I like to use the back camera because the back camera is fucking amazing. But the only negative thing is that you can't see yourself. So it's like you can fuck it up or you can have like really good photos. So I don't know, just try a few ones before you actually commit into taking a whole bunch of photos. So as you can see, I used the 0.5x right here to get everything in the photo because the building is fucking beautiful. Oh my god, this photo looks so good. Okay, now I'm gonna try one with 1 instead of 0.5 and see what we're gonna get. Let me check on my photos really quick. Okay, so this angle is really bad. This is why I always use the 0.5 instead of 1, because these photos are fucking trash. So now you get the idea.
I've been winning like I found the perfect cheat code. Social distance, shawty, don't get close to people.
I'm fucking screaming. Look at these photos. This is why I take a lot of photos, because when you take a lot, you have a lot to work with, and if you were to make any mistakes, you can always go back and fix the mistakes later on. So, I fucking love the 0.5. Like, I'm sorry, but okay, let's go to another location, because I feel like I've been standing here for the past like 45 minutes, so let's go.
But it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while.
So now, let's go back to my place, and I'll show you guys how I usually take my photos inside. And this is for those of you who do not like to take your photos outside, or if you don't have anywhere that's kind of decent looking like this to take your photos, then I'll show you guys how to take your photos inside and make them look super cool for your Instagram or wherever you want to post them. So let's go. Okay, so this is part 2 for those of you who want to take your photos at home and you really don't want to do it in public like I just did earlier. That was fucking embarrassing. I don't know why I did that. So how you can do it is just look for inspirations and a lot of different things on the internet. If you have a plain white background, it will be so much easier because when you edit and Photoshop your photos, so easy. You can just remove everything out of the way and take your photos. But I'm gonna work with what I have. So when I used to take my photos with my self-timer, that was a crime. Like, that was so fucking hard. I did not know why I was trying to make my life so much harder like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and take a few more photos from here, because I feel like the lighting looks better here. And I'm hiding the clicker in my hand. Okay, so now that we're done with taking these photos, I will show you guys how I edit my photos. So first of all, let's take a look at the photos that we took this morning. So I am currently using Afterlight, and it's like the best app ever to edit your photos. So this is the part that I like about Afterlight, is that you can do whatever you want to your photos, and then you can apply the same layers of filters, brightness, whatever you did to your first photo, you can apply that to the next series of photos that you want to edit, so you don't have to do everything all over again. So that way it looks more consistent with your series of photos, because you don't want to apply a different filter for every single photo. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. I'm pretty happy with this. I really don't want to add anything else, so I'm just gonna save the photo, and then I'm going to edit the next photo, which is this one. And I can just go straight to my Fusion and click this one, and that's it. this photo is perfect. I don't have to crop, I don't have to do anything with this, so I'm just gonna save it. That was so easy, right? Okay, now I will show you guys how to edit the photos that we just took recently. And it is a little bit harder to do this because we have to use Photoshop. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first thing first, I have to remove my background. And then now I'm just gonna put like, I don't know, like some random angels, little angel bitches or whatever into my photo. I think I found the perfect background for our photo. For my photo. I'm so bad at describing, but this is the vibe that we're going for, so I'm so fucking excited. And I like the fact that it's like super pixelated. The background is so pixelated. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna export this photo and then I'm gonna transfer it back to my phone. Okay. I am so happy with the final product. You guys, look at this. This is the before, after, before, after. So this is the original photo that I took, and then I turn it into something like this. It's not that complicated. I think you just have to find a theme, an aesthetic that you want your photo to look like, and just go for it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, follow me on Instagram at very.snatch so you can see all these photos, and I'll definitely follow you back. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!